Exciting news for Indian citizens dreaming of a life in the United Kingdom. The British High Commission in India has unveiled a remarkable opportunity. The doors are wide open with the introduction of the India Young Professionals Scheme. Under this initiative, 3,000 visas will be granted to Indian natives between the age of 18 to 30, offering them the chance to pursue their dreams on European soil. In a statement released by the British High Commission, it was announced that a new ballot system will be implemented, ensuring fair and equal opportunity for all aspiring individuals. The countdown has begun. The ballot window opens on February 20th at 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time and closes on February 22nd at 2:30 p.m. IST. As the anticipation builds, the British High Commission urges Indian graduates to seize this chance. If you are an Indian graduate who wants to live, work, or study in the UK for up to 2 years, you can enter the ballot for a chance to apply for a visa, reads the official announcement. For those aspiring to take part in the India Young Professional Scheme, eligibility criteria are clear and straightforward. Candidates must hold a bachelor's degree or a high education certificate to qualify for the ballot. According to guidelines outlined on the UK government website, applicants must provide essential personal information including their full name, date of birth, and passport details, along with a scan or photo of the passport. Contact information such as phone number and email address is also required for communication purposes throughout the application process. Financial stability is paramount. Applicants must demonstrate monetary savings of at least GBP 2,530 to support themselves during their stay in the UK. Furthermore, candidates should not have any dependent children under the age of 18, ensuring they can fully focus on their professional or academic pursuits while in the UK. Once the ballot submission closes, the selection process begins. Successful candidates will be chosen randomly. Within 2 weeks of the ballot closing, applicants will receive an email notifying them of the results. From the date of the email, applicants have up to 90 days to complete their visa application process. This process includes submitting biometric data and paying the visa application fee, which covers the immigration health surcharge. Once the visa application is submitted, Indian professionals must make arrangements to travel to the UK within 6 months. The visa application fee stands at £298, equivalent to 31,110 rupees. With the first ballot just around the corner, the journey towards a brighter future begins now. Will you seize the chance to turn your dreams into reality? Tell us in the comments below.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.